Hello friends, today's topic factors deciding the direction of markets next week. The NDA government led by Narendra Modi will be sworn in today evening. There is no political uncertainty as of now. This was the main reason for the rally in market in the last 3 days. The volatility in the market is likely to reduce in the coming days. Investors are hoping for the post-election rally to continue in the coming weeks. However, even if the rally continues, it cannot continue without any periodic corrections. Nifty's movement in the coming week will depend on the following factors. 1. Industrial production figures. The government will announce the industrial production figures for May month on 12 June Wednesday. It is expected to slow down to 3.9% in May from 4.9% in April. Manufacturing sector is expected to show slow growth of 4.9% in May, a drop from 5.2% in April. The markets will be keenly awaiting this data on the economic performance of industries. 2. Federal Reserve meeting this week. The US Federal Reserve will be having its two-day meeting on 11 and 12 June. It will announce its interest rate decision on 13 June. It is expected that US Federal Reserve will not change its interest rates. However, there can always be a surprise. The expectation of rate cut continues. It has been due since the last few months. The rate cut may come in the next 2 to 3 meetings of the Federal Reserve. Markets have initially rallied in the beginning of the year due to the US Federal Reserve announcement of likely rate cuts from June-July 2024. However, it has not yet happened. Whenever there is a rate cut, stock markets would cheer it. 3. Important foreign economic data. On June 10, Monday, Japan will release its economic growth figures. On June 11 and 12, the UK will reveal important economic figures, jobs reports, industrial production, and GDP growth numbers. On June 12, China will release its inflation data. All these announcements will have an impact on the global stock markets. 4. Indian inflation figures. On June 12, the Indian consumer inflation figures for May is expected to be released. Economy is expected to fall to 4.8% from April's 4.83%. On June 14, wholesale price index numbers will be announced. It is expected to have gone up sharply in May to 4 from April's 1.26%. RBI will keep a close watch on inflation figures since it is one of the main factors to decide rate cuts. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ರವರಿಂದ for all channel members on 11th June Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. Live question answer session on YouTube on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. Number 5. India VIX. The volatility index had gone up from 10 to 31 from April end to 4th June. Since then, the VIX has been falling and it has fallen to 16 since the uncertainty of the reserves has been sorted out as of now. VIX falling is a good sign since it helps in market rally. As long as it is low, markets will have strength. 6. FIIs inflow or outflow. The last few days, FIIs have continued to be net sellers in Indian markets. Only DIIs and retail investors have been pumping in money continuously. If and when FIIs invest to restart investing in Indian markets, it may provide further support to the uptrend. We need to see when they will become net buyers. The new government may also announce or finalize the new ministers for various ministries, and hence it will be interesting to see who will take charge of the finance ministry and present the next budget in July. We need to see whether there will be a change in the finance minister or not. End of the video, here is the question. What is the term used for the US stock markets as a whole? There are 4 choices. A. Nasdaq, B. Wall Street, C. Main Street, D. Bull Park. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.